how to add another Instagram account to the Instagram app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into another Instagram account so that you can switch between the different accounts within the Instagram app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app and then navigate to your Instagram profile. Once on your profile, select your username at the very top. Once you do that, you'll see a new menu appear at the bottom, and all we need to do is select Add Instagram Account. From there, you'll have two options. You can either log into an existing account or you can create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and log into an existing account. If you've logged into one previously, you'll just be able to select it and also select log into another account. It also might prompt you for your Instagram username and password of the other account you want to add. So go ahead through that process. It'll then bring you to the new Instagram account, and you now can select the top and you'll see the other Instagram account, and you can easily switch between them by simply selecting them. And there you go. As you can see, I'm switching between the two Instagram accounts that I have logged in the app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.